There are many grammatical mistakes in whatever we speak or write. In the previous lesson, I made you aware of 5 common grammatical mistakes that might be happening unknowingly. In this lesson too, we are going to remove 5 more mistakes so that we communicate with others effectively and whatever we speak or write is grammatically correct. So let's get started. Each other and one another are easily confused. The mistake happens when we don't know the difference between the two. You can easily remember, for 2 persons, we use each other. For more than 2, one another. We can use either of the two when the number is indefinite, when we don't know how many persons we are talking about. Let's see some examples to have a better understanding. Steve and Martha always help one another. Steve and Martha always help each other. The 5 members always discuss key issues with each other. The 5 members always discuss key issues with one another. When the number is indefinite, we can frame the sentences like this. We help each other. We help one another. They are angry with each other. They are angry with one another. Phrases look forward to, looking forward to, with a view to, and committed to should always be followed by a gerund, that is verb plus ing. It's a very common mistake not to use gerund with these phrases. In spoken English, it may not matter, but in written, it does. So always use verb plus ing or gerund with these phrases. For example, I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. With a view to help the team, I called a meeting. With a view to helping the team, I called a meeting. I'm committed to work for the company. I'm committed to working for the company. Conjunctions if and whether are interchangeable when we want to express doubts. However, you need to remember, whenever a sentence involves or not at the end, we use only whether. The following examples will make it clear. I'm not sure if he will come. I'm not sure whether he will come. We don't know if we will make some profit this year. We don't know whether we will make some profit this year. If the sentence involves or not at the end, you need to be careful. I'm not sure if he will come or not. I'm not sure whether he will come or not. Steve called Mark to know if he was in the town or not. Steve called Mark to know whether he was in the town or not. Stop using words like sheeps, deers and offsprings, as these do not exist. The plural form of sheep, deer and offspring is sheep, deer and offspring only. Other similar words which remain same when plural are species, cattle, fish, aircraft, etc. We do not add s or es to make them plural. Let's see some examples. There are 100 sheep in the barn. There are 100 sheep in the barn. At least 50 aircrafts are going to be bought by the Air Force. At least 50 aircraft are going to be bought by the Air Force. The kettles are being fed healthy food. The cattle are being fed healthy food. Never say or write prefer than. Prefer is always followed by preposition to, since we are mentioning a preference. For making comparison, we use conjunction than. Let's see some examples. Stella prefers coffee than tea. Stella prefers coffee to tea. We prefer watching football than playing it. We prefer watching football to playing it. So friends, these were some of the common grammatical mistakes that we need to eliminate to become effective communicators. In case you have any doubts regarding usage of some words or phrases, or you're not clear about some concepts of grammar, you can write back to me in the comment section and I'll include those in the lessons to follow. You can also download the Enliven English app to gain access to quality content on grammar. I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.